Have you any questions before we start?
No, thank you.
Sure. Well, today, do you want to do sat nav or signs?
Yeah, I can do.
Which one do you want? What's best for you?
Satellite.
Sure, satellite.
Examiner will also ask from me.
Sorry?
Examiner in the real test will also ask from me.
No. I just want you to do whatever's best for you. I want to give you £500 if you drive safely.
That's good. I'll win it.
Hmm?
I'll win it.
Good, that's what I like to hear, sir. Today we're doing a mock test from Azan. Azan, tell them where you come from.
I'm from Pakistan. I'm studying mechanical engineering.
Smart, lovely lad, this one. Look, hopefully he's going to get 500 quid.
Mm.
Tell him where you live at the moment.
I live currently in Middlesbrough.
Doesn't like it, do you?
No, I don't like it. I'll plan to shift in the Durham.
He's going to come to Durham.
Yeah, then I have a car. I will go to my university easily after passing the test.
He's, when I first met him, he's got a test. Tell him when your test is.
On 12th of June.
He said he only wanted 3 or 4 classes. I said he needed about 15. How many have you had so far?
I think 4.
4?
Yeah.
3? 3, I think, isn't it? 4 today.
4.
So, if he passes this, he's going to win £500. And what are you going to do with the money, sir?
I don't have planned it right now, but I will spend it.
You'll spend it?
Yeah, I'll buy a new phone.
Good. He wasn't very good when I met him, to be fair, were you?
No, I don't.
But every lesson he's improved, so that's a good sign. So hopefully, if he drives really well, I'm going to take him for his driving test. But if he drives dreadful, then I ain't taking you for driving test. Have you got that?
Yeah, understood.
Right, any questions? Anything you're not sure about?
No.
Can you say that all right?
Yeah.
Right, you're going to be out 30 to 40
that
minutes.
would be left would be better. Because
This
there'll be
way?
reflection. Yeah, that's a better.
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll arrive at your destination at 1:34 p.m.
38 to 40 minutes depending on traffic.
Alright.
You're going to take various traffic road conditions, one manoeuvre, possibly a control stop. And you will be driving independently by way of sat nav signs.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Understood?
Is that how you spell your name?
Yeah.
Yeah. Throughout the drive, just follow the road ahead unless I direct you by signs and markers. I'll ask you to turn, which I will do some good time. Do you understand that?
Alright, understood.
One question before we start. Can you tell me how you check your powered steering's work before starting the journey?
We will check it like when we start the vehicle and we feel it lightweight. So that's why I think it's working.
Light and responsive, right? Can you start your car?
Yeah.
Or can you show me which is the aircon? We want the aircon on to keep you cool.
Keep that one.
That's it, press it. Right, now we're going to get the manoeuvre done straight away, so
Alright.
you know which one you're going to reverse into?
Yeah, I know.
Right, good luck, and let's see you drive safely.
Alright. Understood. I think I've done it. I'm inside from here.
Go on then, if you turn left right here, well done.
Right.
Well done, Azan. Excellent observations. Speed's top class. Accuracy's out a little bit because you straightened up too early. It's a few inches out, but yeah, it's a pass. There's no fault recorded. So well done, young man. Well done. And at the end of the road, turn left.
Turn right, St John's Road.
When it's safe to do so, could you show me how you clean the front window with the washers and wipers?
Right.
Thank you.
Turn right.
Serious fault number 1 for you, Azan. Azan, if you can help me out here, you have my full attention, but this is the number 1 fault in the UK for failing the driving test observations at junctions. I can't even come up with an explanation why you've done this. The only thing I can think of is the car that was coming from right blocked your view to the left when you looked. But looking at this video, I just don't know, but you just pull out in the middle of the road, Azan, and there's a car coming, then you have to stop. Dangerous, this young man. You shouldn't really be doing things like this. Could you pull up the convenient place on the left, please?
Yep.
Azan, serious fault number 2. Azan, yeah, I had a fail the other week with this 8th of June Joel he's on YouTube actually, but done exactly what you done. Check these mirrors, put a signal on to pull in, start to slow the car down, and then the car behind realises that you're pulling in, starts to overtake you, and you start speeding up again. Goes down this awareness and planning. I don't know why you didn't stop, for there was plenty of room to stop. Thank you. Now you drive on when you're ready.
Go left on the roundabout and take the second exit.
Minor fault number 1, Azan, you signal left here. When the sat-nav says turn left, second exit, do not put the signal on approach. Had there been a car to your left pulling out, I think you would turn left. I would have given you a serious fault for that. Serious fault number 3 for you, Azan. Azan, this is a very common fault for failing. Look at the picture here. You take the third exit. To take that third exit, the markings tell you that you need the right lane. So you've gone the wrong way, but you've done it unsafely, so it goes down as a serious fault. Now you've just gone off route, but don't worry, I'll redirect you. Okay? Serious fault number, is it number 4, Azan? Yeah, I think it's number 4 for you, sir. Azan, you're on the wrong side of the road. You must think this is 2 lanes on approach, but it's only 1. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I wouldn't beat yourself up too much about it, but I've seen a lot worse than this and a lot faster than this. So, serious fault number 4 for going on the wrong side of the road.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Dryburn View. Then take the third left.
You're on the wrong side of the road, sir.
So I need to go straight?
We're turning right, please. Third exit. Serious fault number 5 for you, Azan. Azan, I know it's badly marked, but you drive straight over the top of the mini roundabout. At the roundabout, follow the road ahead. It's the second exit.
Right.
Serious fault number 6 for you, Azan. Azan, you straight line the roundabout here. You approach from the left, then you drift over to the right lane. There was a car to your left and you put a signal on. So when you're going straight ahead, second exit, you do not put a signal on for left. Had you been in the left lane, I'm guessing that car would have pulled out in front of you and you could have caused an accident. But because you were in the right lane with the signal on for left, the car didn't dare pull out in front of you. At the roundabout, turn left. Serious fault number 7 for you, Azan. On approach to the roundabout, there was national speed limit signs. Now, they're very easy to miss, but when you emerged onto this road, you should have clocked that there was no street lighting, there was no repeater signs, and the road's as straight as a die. So it's not a built-up area. There's no way it can be 30. It's got to be national speed limit. You drive at 30 all the way along here, and then eventually a car decides to overtake you because they're getting sick of you driving like my old granny. And this is where accidents happen when people do manoeuvres like this. So on this type of road, Azan, on your driving test, the examiner would look for at least 50 miles per hour. And the next road to the left, and drive it forward, and it will be of your choice. So turn left, and then drive it forward and reveal. It's not part of the test, so it's just drive it in. Not worried. Alright. Yep. Right, rest your feet. Turn the car off. How do you think you're doing?
Made a mistake, wrong side of the road. That mistake. I think I thought that there was work on the road. That's why my side was that, because the road color was changed.
You've got more serious faults than what you have minor faults. You've got 7 serious faults. 7. Now I told you when I first met you, you said, oh, you need 4 classes. I said, no. You need at least 15. Can you remember?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Oh, you started off really well. Then I don't know what happened after that. Right, first serious fault. Came to the junction. You couldn't see properly. Cars to your left are blocking your view.
Yeah.
You stop back here. You can only see to there. You should have got up the white lines.
Yeah.
You actually pulled out when there was a car coming down the road. Can you remember?
Yeah.
And what did you do?
I
You
stopped
did
the junction.
succeed in the end, but you should have just stopped. You kind do things like that.
Yeah.
Have you got that? If you can't see, lean forward and creep forward. That's all you have to do.
All
Do you
right.
agree?
Yeah.
Second one, it says pull up on the left. Can you remember? Now you had a car following, and the car, but you put your signal on because you told them you were going to pull up. Okay. Then this car started to move out to overtake you, and then you didn't pull up. You just kept driving.
Yeah.
And then what did the car do?
Yeah.
It overtook you. So don't put a signal until you know where you're stopping.
All right.
So you put a signal on to slow down to pull up, and then you change your mind, just kept driving when this car was trying to
Yeah.
overtake. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Next one, you were in the wrong lane. Come to this roundabout here. The sat-nav said turn left second exit. Where's the left second exit there? You're here.
Yeah. Second exit is there.
Right. Where did you go?
I go there.
Why? Look. 1, 2.
Yeah.
You needed that lane.
So that's a serious mistake.
Yeah, to go that way, you need the right lane.
Yeah.
You got that?
Right.
Next one. Well, I haven't got a picture of the roundabout, but you come up to the roundabout. You knew yourself. Where did you position the car? You were on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah.
Can you remember?
Yeah.
What were you thinking there?
I thought that road was blocked that time. That's why.
Blocked.
Yeah, because there was a road construction there. I thought that it was not.
In your next serious fault, you drove over the top of the mini roundabout. You realised, but it was too late. Yeah?
Yeah.
You can't drive round over the tops of mini roundabouts. You've got to go around. You
Yeah.
can touch them like that.
Because I was on that side. That's why I made a mistake. Because I
Yeah.
tried to go, but
You
it was
did.
late.
And another one you turned right at. You went to turn, but you realised and went round it, yeah? There was just the one. Then we come to a roundabout, said follow the road ahead, second exit. Which lane should you be in to go straight ahead, second exit? If there's
Left lane.
Right, well you're over here, look.
All right.
And you put a signal on for left. Why'd you put a signal on for left for?
Yeah.
If you put a signal on for left, where will you think you go?
Yeah, left.
And the next one, right, now we were talking about these speed limits. We said, if there's no street lighting, what's the speed limit? Go on.
If there is
No street lighting.
then it's 60.
Well done. Right, well, we're on a road that looked like a runway strip,
Yeah.
and you were sitting doing 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, I thought that I considered 30. Then after later I realized that and
You realised, when what did the car behind do?
overtakes.
And that's one of the dangerous manoeuvres you can do.
Yeah.
So you should have clocked that. It wasn't built up. There was no street light, and you should have at 60 and check your mirrors and put your foot down. Do you agree? You've hardly got any faults for minors, just signals. Now, how would you feel about the driving test? Now, be honest, because you said your mum's going to watch this, didn't you?
Yeah.
Do you think you should do the test?
No.
No, you'll have to put a back. I can't take you for a driving test driving like that. I'll get shot.
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll get a standards check in the post. Right, Howard, let's go and fix some stuff, yeah?
All right.
Do you have any questions before I turn that off?
No.
Oh, Azan, that was dodgy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, I was nervous.
Why?
You are right because of that YouTube.
Hmm?
Because of that YouTube, I think.
Well, I told you, I said you didn't have to go on.